Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Redmi Pad SE. This device is powered by a Snapdragon 680 mobile platform, which is a 6nm process technology. This means it's built to perform efficiently and effectively. Under the hood, you'll find an octa-core CPU running up to 2.4 GHz, perfect for multitasking and heavy-duty tasks. The GPU is powered by Qualcomm Adreno, ensuring smooth graphics performance for all your gaming and entertainment needs. In terms of storage and RAM, Redmi Pad SE offers three options: 4GB plus 128GB, 6GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 128GB. This gives you the flexibility to choose the storage space that suits your needs. Plus, it supports up to 1TB expandable storage, more than enough space for your favorite apps, games, and media. Now, let's talk dimensions. With dimensions of 255.53mm x 167.08mm x 7.36mm, Redmi Pad SE strikes a balance between portability and usability. It's not too big or too small, just right for enjoying movies, games, and more on its full-screen display. Remember, configurations may differ between regions, so make sure you're checking out the options available in your area. And always keep in mind that available storage and RAM can be less than total memory due to stored or pre-installed software on the device. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay tech savvy.